In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tackle the frustrating issue of a slow ClickUp application and share some effective steps to make it faster. If you've been feeling bogged down by ClickUp's sluggish performance, worry no more. I'll guide you through some practical solutions that can help restore its speed and efficiency. First off, one of the simplest yet impactful changes you can make is to simplify your dashboards. Complex dashboards can significantly slow down your ClickUp experience. Start by opening your dashboard and look for the More Options button, which is typically represented by 3 vertical dots or a similar icon. Click on it, and then begin removing any widgets that aren't essential to your tasks or workflow. Streamlining your dashboard not only speeds up performance, but also helps with managing focus by reducing clutter on your screen. Keep only those widgets that provide significant value or are frequently used for your daily operations, and you'll start to notice a difference in speed. Next, let's talk about archiving old tasks or spaces. This is particularly useful if you've been using ClickUp for a long time and have accumulated a lot of completed tasks that are no longer necessary. Navigating through fewer active tasks can improve performance, as each task, especially if it contains extensive comments or attachments, can contribute to slowdowns. To archive unnecessary tasks or spaces, navigate to the task or space you wish to archive, click on the More Options button again, and select Archive. By doing this regularly, you ensure your workspace remains clean and optimized for speed. Another crucial step is to clear your browser cache and ensure that your browser or ClickUp app is up to date. Over time, browser caches can store too much outdated information, which may affect how web applications like ClickUp run. If you're using a browser, head to the Settings menu, proceed to Privacy, and select the option to clear your cache and cookies. This clears out irrelevant stored data and can help speed up the browsing experience. Similarly, ensure that your browser, whether it's Chrome or Edge, is updated to the latest version to benefit from performance enhancements and bug fixes that come with new releases. The same advice applies if you're using the ClickUp app. Regularly check for updates and install them to keep your app running smoothly. Remember, the key to an efficient ClickUp experience is regular maintenance. By simplifying dashboards, archiving old items, and routinely clearing your cache while keeping software up to date, you can enjoy smoother and faster project management on ClickUp. Hopefully, these steps help you get the most out of your ClickUp experience, making it faster, more robust, and more importantly, less of a headache. Stay tuned for more tips and happy organizing.